VeChain is one of the most practical, enterprise-focused blockchain platforms in the world, and understanding what VeChain is used for requires taking a deep look into how this network solves real-world business problems across supply chain management, product authentication, logistics, sustainability, insurance, healthcare, carbon tracking, and enterprise data transparency. VeChain was created with a mission to improve how companies track products, verify data, and eliminate fraud by using blockchain technology to bring trust into industries that struggle with counterfeit goods, poor traceability, or unreliable supply chain information. Unlike many blockchains designed mainly for financial transactions or general-purpose smart contracts, VeChain built itself around enterprise adoption, focusing on real businesses, large corporations, and global supply chains. This positioning has turned VeChain into a preferred blockchain solution for luxury brands, food safety companies, pharmaceutical manufacturers, logistics providers, sustainability programs, and organizations dealing with complex product verification challenges. At the core of VeChain is its ability to track and verify products from the point of origin to the final consumer. This is where VeChain's supply chain tracking system becomes powerful because it allows a company to embed sensors, NFC chips are RFID tags, and IoT devices into products so information can be recorded on the blockchain at every step. Whether it is tracking premium wines, luxury handbags, vaccines, electronics, organic food, automotive parts, or carbon emissions, VeChain provides a secure, tamper-proof, decentralized layer of data that cannot be easily manipulated. This ensures that every stakeholder from manufacturers to distributors, retailers, regulatory bodies, and end consumers can trust the product's history. By creating transparency and reducing the chances of fraud, VeChain helps businesses build trust with customers while ensuring accurate product information. This is why many companies turn to VeChain to strengthen their supply chain visibility and improve operational efficiency without relying on slow or outdated systems. VeChain's blockchain architecture supports two tokens, VET and VTHO. VET is used for value transfer and enterprise operations, while VTHO is used to pay for transaction fees and blockchain execution costs. This dual token model keeps transaction fees predictable and stable even when demand rises, making it ideal for business applications that require consistency. Companies can use VET to interact with the blockchain, while VTHO ensures that the cost of running applications remains low. This design reflects VeChain's long-term vision of making blockchain scalable and enterprise-friendly. Businesses cannot operate effectively on blockchains with unpredictable fees, so VeChain engineered a system that guarantees cost efficiency while maintaining strong performance. The VET token also serves as a critical part of the network's consensus mechanism because nodes earn VETHO for holding VET, which promotes stability and long-term participation in the ecosystem. A major reason VeChain stands out is its use of proof of authority (POA), where trusted validators, known as authority masternodes, secure the network. Unlike proof of work that consumes massive computing power or proof of stake that depends heavily on large token holdings, POA ensures that nodes are verified entities with real reputations behind them. This creates a secure and efficient network capable of processing high-volume enterprise transactions quickly and consistently. POA enables VeChain to maintain a balance between decentralization and real-world usability, ensuring that global corporations can rely on it without worrying about network instability. Because large businesses often need predictable infrastructure and trusted validators, VeChain's POA model matches the demands of enterprise clients better than many other blockchain platforms. One of the most popular use cases of VeChain is product authentication, especially in industries where counterfeits are a massive problem. VeChain allows brands to verify product authenticity in a way that customers can easily confirm using a simple scan from their smartphone. This is commonly used in luxury fashion, designer goods, handbags, shoes, jewelry, and premium alcohol. Brands use VeChain to protect their customers from fake products by offering transparency through blockchain-based authentication. This not only improves brand confidence, but also protects the economic value of the product line. Consumers increasingly want proof of origin, especially when buying premium items, and VeChain provides a technological solution that connects directly with customer trust. VeChain is widely used in the food industry to track food safety, freshness, storage conditions, transportation, temperature, and expiration. Food companies use VeChain to provide customers with real-time information on the journey of their food. In an age where consumers worrying about contaminated or expired food, VeChain's blockchain records every stage of handling, helping reduce food poisoning risks, improve accountability, and increase safety. Many supermarkets, farms, and logistics companies integrate VeChain to build reliable traceability systems that remove guesswork and replace it with blockchain-verified data. The benefits extend beyond customers because businesses also use the information to optimize inventory management, reduce spoilage, and increase efficiency. Healthcare is another major industry where VeChain is used. Hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and medical suppliers use VeChain to track medications, prevent counterfeit drugs, manage patient records securely, and ensure safe handling of medical equipment. Pharmaceutical counterfeiting is a billion-dollar global problem, and VeChain provides a blockchain-based solution that improves patient safety and reduces fraud. The medical industry relies heavily on accurate data, and by using VeChain's blockchain infrastructure, healthcare providers can eliminate data inconsistencies, improve trust in pharmaceutical supply chains, and maintain regulatory compliance with greater efficiency. VeChain also plays a big role in carbon tracking and sustainability. Many companies struggle to verify environmental claims because traditional carbon reporting systems are prone to errors or manipulation. VeChain solves this by recording carbon emissions, renewable energy usage, recycling actions, and sustainability metrics directly on the blockchain. This allows businesses to prove their environmental efforts with verifiable, trustworthy data. Government bodies and international organizations also use this technology to ensure compliance with sustainability standards and environmental regulations. Carbon credits, ESG reporting, environmental audits, and green certifications all benefit from VeChain's data transparency. VeChain's ecosystem has expanded beyond supply chains into finance, digital identity, logistics automation, enterprise data verification, and decentralized applications. Developers can build solutions on the VeChain blockchain using smart contracts designed for enterprise-grade functionality. Companies integrate VeChain into their operations because it has proven reliability, strong partnerships, and real-world adoption, not just theoretical potential. Many blockchains claim utility, but VeChain stands out because major corporations use it daily to solve real problems. These companies include industries like automotive manufacturing, where parts must be tracked from raw material to assembly. Shipping and logistics providers that require transparent delivery records, and consumer goods companies that want verifiable product data for global distribution. Another important use case is insurance automation. VeChain helps insurance companies automate claim processing through real-time data recorded by IoT devices. Instead of waiting for long verification processes, claims can be approved instantly when conditions are met because the data is already recorded on the blockchain. This reduces fraud, speeds up service delivery, and makes insurance products more efficient for consumers. VeChain continues to push boundaries by creating solutions where data automation and transparency improve long-standing industry problems. Governments also use VeChain to streamline digital services, improve record management, and authenticate important documents. This creates better trust in public services and reduces the chances of document forgery. By using blockchain technology, government agencies can offer citizen services that are more transparent, efficient, and secure. The adoption of VeChain by government bodies further strengthens its reputation as one of the most enterprise-ready blockchains in the world. VeChain's long-term potential lies in its ability to merge blockchain technology with real-world applications. Instead of focusing purely on crypto speculation, VeChain continuously proves its value through practical use cases. Whether it is supply chain management, product verification, sustainability tracking, healthcare data, enterprise automation, or smart contract integrations, VeChain remains committed to building tools that solve global problems. As industries continue to digitalize and prioritize trust, transparency, and traceability, VeChain is positioned to play a major role in shaping the future of enterprise blockchain adoption. If you enjoyed this long and detailed breakdown, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants real, valuable crypto education. Your support motivates the creation of more deep and powerful content like this.